In this video, I'll show you my proven 3-step process for finding $35,000 a day products to sell with your Shopify store in 10 minutes. So you can take this process, replicate it for yourself, and find amazing products to sell and scale to $5, $10, $20, even $35,000 a day. And before we get into this training, just make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's get into it. All right, so just to make sure I'm not making this up, right? So you can see here, this is in the last 30 days. One of our stores here, we scaled this product to over $35,000 a day. You can see here, March 24, $35,000 a day. So this is based on real data. This is based on something that's actually working right now that you can replicate for yourself. And by the way, I have a very sophisticated products research template that you can use to find these products. So just comment down below this video and I'll send it over to you. So step number one in the process is getting the products research criteria right. And there are 5 criteria that you need to analyze for a winning product. Number one factor is the product needs to be already winning. Like for example, this product here is already selling very well. It has a good price point here, has good margins, and it's been selling for quite some time. So you don't want to be selling that's like you're first to the market with. A lot of people are just looking for this like very innovative, very new products to sell. I don't want those kind of products. All of the money I've made is always with products that have been validated in proven categories. I might be selling product that's slightly different from the other people, but it's a proven category. For example, this product here solves a big problem, which is hair removal. Like almost everyone has hair, right? Almost everyone like wants to remove hair. And so this product solves that big problem for a lot of people. So whereas people going after like non-saturated products, I actually like saturated products. I like products that are proven winners, right? I don't want to sell products that are like, oh, no one is selling, but I like this product, I want to be selling it. No, like you want to be selling products that have been validated. Second very important factor is that product needs to have easy shipping. So for example, I wouldn't be one to selling furniture. It's a massive product, it's a heavy product. Like how would I even like ship this product? And you can see the delivery times are like inconsistent, like April 14 to 29. It's so many headaches with selling heavy products. Don't sell heavy products unless you have a lot of money to spend on inventory. Let's say if you wanted to buy this product and the manufacturer would tell you like, oh, it's like you need to buy like 100 units of this product. 100 units of this product is $120,000. Like, or at least let's say you're buying it for like $500. That's at least $50,000 that you'd have to spend on inventory to have that product available to you. So don't sell those kind of products. Look for products that are easy to ship, fast to ship, and cheap to ship. You want to be looking for products that are light to ship. So this product in particular, I mean, price point is a bit low. So I don't know if I would want to selling this product. The price point is pretty cheap. But in general, it's a light product. You can put it in a small box. You can ship it like cost effectively, whether you're shipping from China, you're shipping from United States. Once you have the inventory, this product will be easy to ship, easy to fulfill. You don't need a lot of like warehouse space. You don't need to rent like the whole big warehouse just to store your product. You can keep it in your bedroom if you want and still ship it, and it will get to customers and you won't pay the fortune for shipping. And shipping cost is one of the main costs in business. So for example, let's say the product costs like $3 or $4. You probably will pay another $3, $4, $5 for shipping. So that's why it is so important to take shipping into consideration before you even find the product to sell, before even like, okay, I want to sell this product. Run the shipping costs. Get some quotes from your suppliers. Get some quotes from, different apps that provide you like drop shipping products to sell if you're just like in validation stage. But make sure that your shipping cost is not exorbitant, that like simply will erase all of the margins that you have with the product. Like this product here, for example, is a very light. You can see it's 118 milliliters. Like it's pretty light product, small product. You can put it in a small box and you can ship it very cheap. Third rule is the product needs to sell for at least 3x cost of goods, right? So 3x cost of goods, what's included here is the shipping, right? So for example, this product here would cost us $6.33. That includes the shipping. Shipping is quite fast. Like 68% of orders delivered like in 14 days. It's not ideal, but it's great for the validation stage of the business. Let me see if the price is the same for all of the other products. So you can get even cheaper here. And then when you go to their own like website, this product would cost $39. Let's say you have 39, right? And then you have your cost of the product. Let's say it's $7. So you have about 20, maybe like 25% of your product cost. The selling price is basically 5 times of what the product actually costs to source together with shipping. I like those kind of margins. At least I'm looking for like 3x ratio. Here it's like 5x ratio. Even if you reduce the price to like $34, you still have a very decent margin. And as you can see here, they're incentivizing people to buy more than one product, right? Which means you would make even more money from that same sale. You always want to make sure that you have spending room for other things like advertising and marketing. You can pay your affiliates if they're sending you sales. You always want to make sure you have enough margin. Don't get into business. Don't get into products that don't have at least 3x your COGS to selling price. Don't just sell those products. Like, move on, find another one. Rule number 4 is the product needs to have natural upsell. So the products that you sell immediately after the original winner. So for example, Sutera Pillow, this product has a lot of natural upsell. So let's say you want to buy this product, and as you go through the website, you will see what other products are being upsold. For example, this product here, right? It's $109 for one product, which is or for 2 products. But then as you're going through the flow here, you may also like some compatible products. You have the shower scrub, you have the bath towels, you have the hand towels, right? So you have other products that are compatible with the main one that you can sell together with your main product. This will help you to increase your average order value. This will help you to be more profitable with your store. The days where you were just selling one product and you were profitable in that product and you could just scale your ads like to infinity, right? Those days are gone, right? Just make sure that you have compatible products that you can use as upsells or cross sells with the main product that you're selling so that you're more profitable with every sale that you make. You also want to make sure that the product solves the problem and it's evergreen. There is low fluctuation in demand. It's not just like one-time hit. So fidget spinner, at some point it was a hit, right? You can see here around like 2016, 17, it was a hit. It just blew up, right? People made some money, people made some sales, and then it just disappeared. Like it just gone. Like it's not existing anymore, right? Like it's just like no one wants this product anymore. At the same time, if you were selling pillows, everyone wants a pillow. Everyone needs a pillow, right? So you can see now it fluctuates in demand. There's some fluctuations here. Like if you compare, let's say, mid of the year, July, you compare it to October, December, like probably Q4, there's some fluctuations in demand, but as a whole, this product went from having, let's say, 184,000 searches per month to now it has 200,000 searches per month. So demand stays consistent and you can tap into that existing demand with your product. So these are kind of products you want to sell, products that you can sell for years, obviously, changing and adding some products to your brand, but you want to be selling products that have that evergreen need in the market. Now, before I get into the second step, if you haven't already, just comment doc below this video and I'll send you my product research template for free. It's a very sophisticated template. You can see it on screen. It's very cool. It has all of these criteria so that you can sort your products, and you want to make sure that your product fills all of those criteria before you start selling them. Now, here's how to actually find these products. I like my Nia as a product research tool. They have a lot of great products here like listed. They have top 100 products to sell on Facebook. You can see there's many different products that you could sell. A lot of research. They show you the engagement. They show you how many comments these products have, how many shares and stuff like that. So you can use my Nia to find these ideas for products to sell. Just as you go through this list, beware of products like this. This product here looks cool, right? And it probably has like a decent margin. This product here is like $499. Probably has some good decent margin, but you'll probably need certifications to sell this product. You'll probably need some custom like designs. You probably have to spend a lot of money to ship this product because it's quite heavy. So avoid these products. So even as you go through tools like my Nia and something looks like a winner, something like, oh, it's like, I want to sell this product. Don't. Comment doc below. Go through the whole doc. Rate the product by different criteria: margins, shipping cost, how easy it is to sell, is it compliant to sell. Rate the product and only then like, okay, it fills all of the criteria, I can sell this product. But don't jump on products just because they have a lot of engagement or someone else is killing it. Another product that has a lot of engagement on my Nia is this one here. So this is professional pressure washer surface cleaner. The problem with this product is that it's seasonal. People mostly buying this product like springtime before the summer because they want to take care of their houses. They want to make sure that the garden and everything is taken care of. But then the product drops in demand. You don't want to be selling these kind of products because they're seasonal. And let's say you're buying inventory for this product. Let's say, oh, I'm buying like 1,000 units of this product. Now you'll be stuck with that inventory if you don't sell out. And you'll be stuck with that inventory for the whole year. So you'll have a lot of cash flow issues. Don't sell products that are seasonal. Try to find products that are more evergreen in demand that you can sell all year long. This is how the data looks for this washer product, right? You can see it kind of like pops up here. in June, right up to June, and it's also not very high demand, like 140 searches per month. It's not something like extraordinary. It's not something that you can make millions of dollars with, right? And then it drops, and then it goes again, and then it drops, right? So now it's picking up because it's springtime, but then it's simply not good product to build a business around. At the same time, I just found this product on my Nia, and it's a great product. Now, this product here is probably patented in terms of the design, so I don't recommend you sell exactly this kind of product, but the problem that it solves is evergreen. Like there's always will be people, like whether it's springtime, wintertime, summertime, that want to remove their hair. So these are the trends for laser hair removal. Like check it out, how crazy it is. Like it's pretty much consistent all year long. It drops in demand a little bit, right? So here, let's say June, to 234 searches a month, and then it drops to like 200, and then it's 240 again, and then it's 200 again, and then it's 230 again, right? But throughout the whole year and year over year, it's growing. It's been consistent for the last like 10, 15 years. If you're getting in this kind of product, and if you know how to sell that product, if you know how to market it, you will have a consistent, stable brand for the next 10 years. Also, I like this product because it's super small, it's easy to ship, it's proven to sell, and it solves a big problem for a massive audience. I also like using this extension, which is called Similar Web. It tells me how much traffic each website is getting. So this one here consistently gets around like 1 million visitors per month to their website. So the brand is validated, the product is validated, the problem they're solving is also validated. So literally all you have to figure out is how to sell the product, how to craft your ads, website, landing pages, stuff like that, which already, by the way, have some other tutorials on, so you can check it out below this video or on my YouTube channel. I like to use this 4-step winner calculation process. So for this $259 product, the website gets about 870,000 monthly visits, right? So we will multiply that 872,000 by 1%, estimated website conversion rate. So which means out of 872,000 visits that this brand is getting approximately, we're getting about 8,000 sales, 8,720 buyers per month. Now we will multiply the amount of buyers per month by the product price. So if we do 8,720 buyers multiplied by $259, which is their price point, this website here is generating at least $2.2 million per month. Now, that is something that you want to model. That is something that's super exciting, because even if you get like a small fraction of that market, like 5% of that market, that's already like hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Like literally, the need is so big, this brand is so big, and this is something that's worth modeling and worth emulating. So this is how I'm finding my winners, right? This product here, if you divide $2.2 million by 30 days of the month, this product is making more than $70,000 per day just from their Shopify website. There's probably some other sources of traffic, other ways that they're selling this product, but here they're making about $70,000 per day. And guys, if you haven't already, just comment doc below this video, so I'll send you my whole product research template. If I can stop some people from making these mistakes with their product research, jumping on products that don't make any sense, I consider my mission accomplished. And now if you're looking for extra help in starting your e-commerce store, just comment ready below this video, and I'll see if you qualify for Brand Builders Academy. Our flagship program will help you find winning products. We'll make sure that you don't make these mistakes. We'll make sure that you don't waste time and effort and money on selling products that don't make any sense. We'll help you to build high converting store, and we'll help you to scale it to $1,000 per day in sales. So if that's you, just comment ready below and I'll see how we can help. And if you already have an e-commerce business and you want to streamline some of the processes in your business, you want to streamline your advertising, you want to streamline your creative sourcing, you want to scale your business to hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars per month, just comment ESS below this video and I'll see if you qualify for ESS. This is our advanced program. You'll get one-on-one coaching from actual store owners, like people that spend millions of dollars on ads profitably, like 8-figure entrepreneurs. Like you get access to those kind of people. You get interactive community with other successful entrepreneurs like yourself, doing 7-8 figures, and you get unlimited support from our team. So whatever issue you have in your business, we'll help you to solve it. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments or feedback for me so I can make these videos more valuable and more useful for you, just let me know in the comments, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.